What's the meaning of braces? Braces. Braces.
Braces. Braces. The term braces can refer to a variety of different things, depending on the context in which it is used. In general, though, braces typically refers to a type of orthodontic device that is used to straighten teeth and correct bite issues. Braces are made up of small brackets that are attached to the teeth and connected by wires or other types of hardware. Over time, gentle pressure is applied to the teeth through these wires, gradually moving them into the correct position. Braces can be a highly effective way to improve the appearance and function of the teeth, leading to improved self-confidence and overall oral health.